Okay, let's go. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and for today I'm going to make a fruit salad, a special fruit salad made by my 10 finger. So ayan, I have here a banana, apple, shallot, apple, mango, and cowbell, of course, the Alaska one, the all-purpose cream, Nestle cream, pero dili dapat ni siya mauambot aning princess nga makani managipalit. And of course, let's go. Okay, let's go. Let's magic. Let's use this para dito natin siya scramble ang lahat. So first is ang ilalagay ko ay this one. So, kanisa muna akong ibutang diri, the watermelon. Gagmay-gagmay lang na ako siya. It depends on you guys kung unsaon ninyo siya pag buhat. But for me, this is a perfect slice. Okay. The next one is the banana. Yes, banana. Nakadepende din sa inyo kung paano nyo i-slice yung banana. Okay. And then the second one is the mango. Yes. Okay, nakadepende sa inyo kung paano niyo siya gawin. Kasi for me, this is the perfect idea that I've been made for a very, very, very long time ago. So, this is it. This is it. Okay. The next one is... Okay.
Dapat anak ko nyo ha.
Ano yan?
Cowbells.
Ha?
Cowbells.
Okay. Wow. May pa-mic-mic ka pa.
Ui. Pero masyadong sosyal.
Good. So, let's put this cowbell. Ito yung ginagamit namin. Ano yung mo ginagamit? Shit. Ang sarap. Magigani mo sa Pasko call.
Ha?
Pasko.
Wala na sa akin. Pagkakaroon hindi ka naman kayong karunit.
Ha?
Karunit ngayon lang. Kailangan ako ganini kay nang butas kung karunit kay Korman to.
Mas lamig, mami.
Ano ini?
Pag makulang. All purpose, manapalit mo. Pero na.
Parang kaunin mga babae. Malapit mo tayo. Ilahan, beer man ang ilahan.
Tikman muna natin. Ice cream yummy. Ice cream good. So, ayan, let's scramble this one. ayan, let's tikman natin kung perfect na ba yung lasa. Parang creamy. I like this one. Yeah.
Oh my God! Wow!
Good. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Bye! Sana may tututunan. What? Bantag na amoy nakatunan. Huy! Ginoo! Thanks!